and welcome back to the channel of the G Bros. How are you guys? I hope you guys are all good and everyone is safe and secure along with your family. Anyway, that aside, we're gonna start with today's sponsor for this video, which is us. But we don't have anything to sponsor, so we have something to give away instead. If you're up for that, let's get into this. Unboxing, review, and fully demonstration in real life for Airtag and the Airtags. So, let's get into this. Okay, so let's start opening these Airtags up. I like the single box so much more. It's more squarey, much more neat. Alright, so let's open it. Okay, just like that. Some extra just papers. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This. Wow, it just looks very, very clean. Look at this. Just pop this out for the battery to just kick in, and that sound is just very phenomenal. Okay, so this is the single box, and we're gonna go ahead right to the 4-pack, just like the same. Papers. The papers now. Put them away. Ooh, look at that. 4 of these. And same kind of way opening them. So you're just gonna start from here. Go around and around. And if you could look at this, just take this out, and again, connection right in. And that's the last one. It's a very delightful, actually, kind of sound it makes. Let's go to the box opening. How do I open this? Oh, again, just tear it open. Oh wow, this red just looks so much nicer than what I expected it to look. And just like that, have it open, pop one right in, just like that, center it a little bit, just like that. Oh, it looks so cool. It's that, and we have the sunflower yellow. I actually wanted to get some yellow colors for a while, and why not in the AirTag bands? Oh my god, this is the best looking yellow that I've ever seen in products. I mean, wow, again, just like that. Grab an AirTag, put it in. That's how you're just gonna connection. That's probably the way you're gonna use it, like hang it to the bag or something. Yeah, they all look so clean, so beautiful. To connect the AirTag, it's gonna be very simple and easy. You just wanna go ahead and open your phone. There it is, pops right up. Keep the AirTag close to your phone. I mean, somewhere around it is fine. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. And you got a lot of options to choose, or you could just custom name it, but I'm gonna choose backpack. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. Usually takes up to 4 or 5 seconds. And there it is. I'm gonna view it and find my app. And it's very actually cool to see a backpack icon in the map dedicated for this AirTag. I'm gonna go ahead and play some sound. And that's it. I'm gonna stop it. Now I'm gonna use the precision finding for you guys to see how it is. Okay, it shows 0.5 meter. Look, as I move it close to the AirTag, it's eventually gonna say it's here. And that's that. But if you wanna actually use all the features AirTag provides, including precision finding, you need to do an upgrade here possibly, because it's only available for iPhone 11 and newer versions of iPhone. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. This beautiful chocolate, it's so tasty. Kind of makes you feel like you want to grab a bite into it. You have the AirTag too. So this actually looks like a candy, holding it in hand. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Take a look at the back. It's very glossy looking white finish. And I mean, the stainless steel longer tabs are making the AirTag stand out. Make it look very luxurious. In a way, it makes it look like the iPhone 3G. The rounded edge, glossy looking back, and polished stainless steel. It's just a flashback. And I believe every single product Apple design has gone over hours and hours of thoughts. Now, looking back at the latest WWDC event, Apple actually introduced a new color, purple, for their iPhone 12 lineups. Many believe this color is Steve Jobs' favorite color. And this could actually be a sort of tribute or like a nice gesture to mark the 10th year since he passed. And what I mean here by that is AirTag looking like the iPhone 3G could also be another tribute. Today, AirTags look just as amazing as the first iPhone 3G, and we should expect to see more improvement by Apple in terms of the color or the shape or the design of this, maybe flattening the edge or even making it a bit thinner so it would be so much easier to carry around, let's say, in your wallet. Speaking of carrying the AirTags, here are some examples and scenarios to discuss. I think the main use of the loop band is to attach it to the bags and luggage and suitcases. The key ring is also possible to use for those purposes, but I think it's the best to go with the keys or fobs or some smaller items. There's also AirTag Hermes, which is so much more luxurious and, unnecessary. I can't think of more use for bands, but you can always get creative, such as attaching the AirTag to your pet collar, especially for cats since they are so adventurous and can disappear suddenly. I would also throw one of those puppy or kitty engraving on my AirTags if that's the case. So Apple has put a lot of thoughts into AirTags. As small and as simple as it is, the AirTag sends a secure Bluetooth signal that can be detected by the nearby devices in Find My network, which these devices actually send the location of your AirTag to the iCloud. Then you can go to the Find My app and see it on the map, as I showed you earlier. And don't worry, because the whole process is anonymous and encrypted just for your privacy. Just like your other Apple devices, AirTag can be put into lost mode. Then when it's detected by the devices in the network, you automatically get a notification. You can also set it so someone can get your contact info by tapping your AirTag with an NFC capable smartphone, which is the same technology that lets people pay for things with their phone. Also, I would love to have a stolen mode alongside with the lost mode, because if the AirTag is stolen, then it would be eventually noticed and detached from the item to stop the tracking, due to the fact that this could intervene with the unwanted tracking feature that AirTag has right now. So we would hope to see some future resolution for this scenario as well. Alright, to sum up, the AirTag is the beginning of a new era. I mean, with all the feature improvement to be done on the design, on the feature improvements, I still think the AirTag is a great product to have right now. It's a great item if you're actually interested in the AirTag. And I definitely recommend, if you guys are into AirTag, wait a little bit longer just to get that emoji on the back of your AirTag. Alright, that's it for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video so far, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel because it helps us a lot to grow faster. Also, we're doing a giveaway, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, and these are the Hypercopy AirPod Gen 2. It comes with a wireless charging case, and how you're gonna enter the giveaway is you need to be a subscriber and you need to leave some comment on this video. That's it. 2 easy steps to follow. I know you guys can do it. Until next time, see ya.